Welcome back to our channel release on Netflix. Let's start the video now. Super Brothers, creators of acclaimed inside hit Sword Sorcery, has introduced that its cutting-edge recreation Jet the Far Shore may be out in October for PlayStation 4, PlayStation 5 and PC. This is a collaborative attempt among Pine Scented Software and Super Brothers. Jet the Far Shore turned into initially introduced final summertime season, however turned into quickly delayed. That's now in modification with the sport will release on October 5th. The developer has counseled that the sport is a laid-back exploration journey. This is with gamers controlling Scout and Anchorite May. She will become the primary individual to discover an unusual ocean planet in a bed. This is to carve out a destiny for humans haunted with the aid of using Oblivion. However, all happened whilst attempting to find something called the Himwave. And statement earlier exhibits more suggesting a rather spooky international to discover. The developer has defined they want to adapt to an intricate thematic open international whilst preserving through adversity along an ensemble cast. It's a single participant tale with a purpose to spread throughout 5 acts with occasional white knuckle action interspersed among Karma times. Also subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more Netflix movies, web series, reviews, news and updates. Past trailers for Jet the Far Shore have counseled that the point of interest is on adapting to the planet's mysteries and perils. However, this is in preference to always attempts to conquer all obstacles. Moreover, suggesting an extraordinarily extra rate of tempo to many games. Expect there to be lots of puzzles that require problem-fixing skills. Originally to be launched in 2020, Jet the Far Shore launches on PlayStation 4, PlayStation 5 and PC through Epic Games Store on October 5th. The recreation seems like a calming one-area exploration recreation. You play as May, a researcher who's part of Flyer Scientist. But she embarks on an interstellar ride and arrives on the ocean planet. New pictures confirm that you will be doing lots of sailing around to your area ship and in addition to sorting out the planet on foot. Superheroes is developing the sport in partnership with Pine Scented and Scentfit is making the rating for the sport. Thank you for watching the video till end. For more Netflix movies, web series, reviews, news and updates, please visit our website www.releaseonnetflix.com and if you like our video then hit the like button and share it with your friends. Also to stay updated, please subscribe to our channel Release on Netflix.